Display all components slated for installation. Remove the pre-installed screws. Install the holder. Place the spray bottle, microdermabrasion tips, glass tubes, and microdermabrasion handles into the rack. Connect the spray bottle with the main machine. Connect the microdermabrasion handle to the main machine, then attach the microdermabrasion tip to the handle. The black hose for microdermabrasion and the transparent hose for the glass tube both connect to the main unit via the suction hole. Connect the appropriate hose based on your needs. Connect the power cord and turn on the instrument. Adjust the suction of the microdermabrasion and glass tube based on the recipient's tolerance. Turn off the instrument and unplug the power cable.